divide 399 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting, we get 4. So now we put down this 9 and it is 49. 5 times 9 means 45. On subtracting, we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 0. So 399 divided by 5 is 79.8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.